Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install and configure PostgreSQL Server 18.4 on Ubuntu 26.04 LTS version. Okay, first open the default browser that comes with Ubuntu Linux, that is Firefox. Then go to PostgreSQL official website, it is PostgreSQL.org. See here, at the time of making this video, the latest release is 18.4. Click on download or click on this download, both are same. Then click on Linux, then select Ubuntu. See, the PostgreSQL APT repository supports the conversions of Ubuntu 26.25, 24 and 22. I am on Ubuntu 26.04 LTS version. Okay. Now we have to run these commands one by one. So copy this one. First, it is going to import signing. So open terminal, then paste them. Execute next two commands as well. Now we have to create this file and we have to paste this text. Here, instead of this code name, we have to give this resolute. Resolute is fine because its code name is resolute. Verify /etc. See here, code name is resolute. So no need to change here. But if you are on 24.04, you have to give noble. Okay. So first create this file. Sudo vi, paste it, hit enter, press I to insert mode, then copy this entire text, paste it, escape, double Q, exclamation, hit enter, it is done, Ctrl A. Now update the packages, sudo apt update. Now install PostgreSQL Server, Ctrl A, sudo apt install PostgreSQL -18. If you want to install 17, use 17. If you want to install 18, use 18. Hit enter. See, it is going to install PostgreSQL 18 and these dependencies. Type 5 for confirmation, hit enter. See, we have successfully installed, and see here the default values: max connections 100, shared buffer size 128 megabytes, and this is the time zone. This is based on my system localized settings. Okay, and see, this is the data direct. Now verify status of the PostgreSQL server. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. See, PostgreSQL server service is enabled and its status is active and running. Quit to quit, Ctrl A. Now connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su -postgres psql. See, you have successfully connected to PostgreSQL server, but this is not the version of the PostgreSQL server. It is PSQL client version. To verify the version of the PostgreSQL server, we have to run the command select version. See, we have installed PostgreSQL server 18.4. Quit to quit, Ctrl A. Now the first step after connecting to PostgreSQL server is we have to set the password for SOAP user, that is Postgres. So verify list of the users that comes with PostgreSQL server installation. See, we have only one user, that is Postgres. You can also get the list of the users by running select use name from pg_user. Okay, now set the password for this user. Alter user Postgres with password. We have successfully set the password. Now we create database. Before that, verify list of databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with PostgreSQL server installation. Quit to quit. You can also get the same. Select dat name. Okay. Create. We have successfully created. See, we have created database bank. Now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to use /c or connect, then provide the name of the database. See, you are now connected to database. Verify list of tables. See, you don't have any tables. See, we have created table customer in public schema, and this is the one of the table. Now insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these users. Now we'll create user. Whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. See, we have created a user David. Now exit from the current session and connect to PostgreSQL server with this new user. To exit, we have to use /q psql -h means hostname, localhost, because PostgreSQL server is installed on this one. -u must be caps. Then new username is David. -d means database. As I told you, whatever is there in singular double quotes, that is the password. Here, this is the password. Okay. /tu. Now verify the currently logged in user. Select current_user. See, we have successfully connected to PostgreSQL server with the user David. Now try to access the database that you have created. You are now connected to database bank as user David. Now try to run the query against the table that is there in this database. See, permission in for table customer, because we have created user, haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. Exit. Now we'll see how to start or restart PostgreSQL server 18.4 on Ubuntu 26.04 LTS version. Can't stop or start with this Postgres user. So exit, sudo control-L, systemctl, stop PostgreSQL. See, PostgreSQL server is inactive or dead. We have stopped it 3 seconds ago. You can also verify the same by trying to connect to PostgreSQL server. See, we are unable to connect. So exit. Now start it again. See, we have started 1 second ago. Okay. If you want to restart, sudo systemctl restart PostgreSQL. See, we have restarted 1 second ago. Until now, we have connected PostgreSQL server by using psql client. You can also connect PostgreSQL server by using pgdbin and DBAs. Those are the most popular tools. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install both on Ubuntu operating systems. I have already installed DBAs. So click on this DBAs. Now click on this database and select new database connection, or just click on this plus plugin button. Then select PostgreSQL. Then click on next. PostgreSQL is installed on this one, so localhost is fine. Port number 5432. Postgres is the user database name, and Postgres is the username, or you can give the new user. Okay. Then provide the password that you have set for this user. Then click on test connection. See, we have successfully connected to PostgreSQL server 18.4. Click on OK. Click on finish. Expand the connection. Expand databases. See, here we have the database bank. If you want to run queries against this database, right click, SQL editor, then open SQL console. Now run the query. Select star from customer. Select the query and click on this execute button. See, we got the output. Okay. You can also create databases from here. Right click, create new database, then provide the name of the database, testdb. Remaining options I am going with the defaults. Click on OK. See, new database is there. You can also verify the same by going to psql client. See, we have created database testdb. Okay. So in this video, we have seen how to install and configure PostgreSQL server 18.4 on Ubuntu 26.04 LTS version. Then we have seen how to connect from the psql and DBAs. Okay, for more database or PostgreSQL tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.